Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make an executive summary in research. An executive summary is a crucial part of any comprehensive report, designed to give busy readers a quick, clear understanding of your work. It distills the essence of your research, highlighting key findings and recommendations so that someone can grasp the core message in just a few minutes, typically 5 to 10 minutes. When crafting your executive summary, ensure you include several essential elements. Start by clearly stating the research problem or objective, setting the stage for your work. Then, briefly describe your methodology, perhaps in 1 or 2 sentences, to provide context. Crucially, present your most significant findings and results, followed by actionable conclusions and practical recommendations. For best results, always write your executive summary after you have finished the main research document. This ensures accuracy and completeness. Aim for brevity. It should typically be 1 to 2 pages long, or about 5% of the total report length. Use clear, straightforward language and make sure it can stand alone, providing all necessary context without requiring the full report. To create an effective executive summary, be mindful of common pitfalls. First, never introduce new information that isn't already in your main report. Second, avoid excessive detail or lengthy explanations. The goal is brevity. Third, steer clear of highly technical jargon unless absolutely necessary and clearly explained. Finally, ensure your summary flows logically, telling a complete and coherent story.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.